Hello everyone, welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you black nail art design Valentine Day step by step guide. Welcome to the dark side. Few colors can make a statement in the way that black can. It is a hue often associated with power, strength, and sophistication. So it is not surprising that it has inspired manicures. It is also the color that goes with everything you own. Plus, it leads itself well to various design, whether it is serving as the base coat of bold and bright decals or combined with white for a striking monochromatic appearance. There are so many ways to embrace this color that there is something for everyone and every aesthetic. Wear it on a date of turn heads at a nightclub. This is polish that is bound to be noticed. Keep reading for more information on the chick nail art to try. Number one design is yang black plus white nails. Some people may feel that black nail polish is too dark and vampy, so why not ease into the look with black and white nail art? A fantastic and meaningful design in the yang. The simple represent dualism, the case and effect, and how one force directly affects another. It represents balance and unity, and it is great way to show off your nails and make a thoughtful statement out life. Our next design is matte black nails face line art. Black nail lacquer is one of the easiest ways to make a statement. It is such a bold color choice that it is bound to draw attention of your hands. And white glossy polish are great. You can also opt for matte, which has a particularly fashion forward appearance to make your look even more interesting. Try line art. Incorporating it into your look requires precision and steady hand. The but the result is beautiful. Alternatively, you can opt for decals or press on nails. The artwork is a must for everyone who wants to manicure with just little bit of edginess. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any query about this video, please comment me below. I hope you like my today's video. Thank you very much. Bye.